Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Samba share on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up terminal, and we're going to type sudo apt update, and this is going to update our package lists. And we're going to type sudo apt install Samba, and this is going to install the Samba package on our computer. So after we've done that, we're going to open up our Files app, and we're going to create a new folder to share. And I'm going to put a simple text file in this directory. So now that we've set up a folder to share, we're going to go back to the terminal, and we're going to edit the Samba configuration to add a share. So we're just going to type sudo nano/etc/samba/smb.conf, and this is the configuration file that we're going to edit to add a Samba share. So we're just going to go to the bottom of the file, and to add our share, the first thing we need to do is to put the name of our share in brackets. So we're just going to go my share, and then we're going to type path equals, and then we need to get the full path of the folder that we want to share. So we're just going to drag the folder to share into the window, and then we need to specify read only, and we're going to set that to no, and this will allow us to write files to the Samba share. If you just want to view the files and not edit anything, you can set it to yes. Next, we're going to add a property called browsable, and this property determines whether the share will show up on devices. So we're going to set this to yes. And next, we're going to add a property called guest OK, and this property determines whether guests are allowed to access it. So I'm going to set this to no. So that means that only administrators with the right password will be able to view it. And the last property we need is writable, and this property determines whether users are allowed to write to the share. So I'm going to set this to yes. So now we finished configuring Samba, and the next thing we need to do is add a password for Samba so that we can log in. So to do that, we're just going to type sudo smb passwd -a, and then the username that we want. So I'm just going to say Theo. And then we're going to enter the password that we want to use for Samba. And after we've done that, we need to restart the Samba service so that the changes are applied. So we're just going to go sudo systemctl restart smbd. And that's it. So now we're going to test this on another computer. So on a Mac, we just need to go to Finder, go to Network, and if you set browsable to yes, you should see it pop up right over here. But if you don't see it here, you just need to go to Go and click on Connect to Server, and then you can enter the server IP over here. So by default, you'll be connected as a guest, and you'll see your share right here. But since I disabled the guest access, I need to go to Connect As, and I'm going to enter my password, and then you should be connected as your user. So we can just go into My Share, and we can open up the file, and there we go. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!